Whoop whoop, all right. Virtual day. Yeah. February, I don't even know what day it is anymore. It's Wednesday, February the 10th. Wednesday, February 10th. It's going to snow tonight. Probably won't have to do nothing tomorrow or Friday. It's going to be a great day. All right. But I'm going to put some stuff out there in case we got to do some stuff. Solving equations, brand new stuff. First things first, what is an equation? An equation is anything with an equal sign. This is an equation, all right? 2x equals 8, equation. What about this? 2x is greater than 10. Is that an equation? Heck no, it's not an equal sign, right? This is called an inequality. They are not equal. Inequality, not equal. This side is bigger than this side. Remember, the alligator always eats the bigger side. So this side is bigger, all right? Inequality. And they can come like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, all right? All inequalities. Or you could have something with none of that at all. You could have something that looks like, wow, that is not erasing at all. Oh, that is dirty. You could have something like this with no equal sign and no inequality. That is called an expression. It is not an equation. All right? We are only talking about solving equations. This one's already solved, right? It's already done. There's nothing else to do there. 2 plus 4 is 6. Voila, right? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Let me show you what we're going to be doing. And we've already been doing a little bit of it with our proportions, right? We're going to get to see problems like this. Let's say we got x divided by 3 equals 3. Now, I want to know what x is. Now, some of y'all are smart enough to figure out what number, if you divide it by 3, or 3 times equals 3, you can figure that out in your head. But I'm going to show you a way to do it where you're always going to get it right. And you can check yourself, all right? Here's what you got to remember. Even iguana skin can burn. What, Mr. Bowers? Yeah, even iguana skin can burn. That's an acronym for the way we're going to solve these. E is for equation, I is for inverse, skin is S is for solve, C is for check, and B is for balance. All right? Remember, like PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Even iguana skin can burn. So I put E, even, I, iguana, skin, can, burn. And all we're worried about is the EISCB, all right? E, equation, right? We have an equation. We need to know what x is. Iguana stands for inverse. Let me get rid of that. Inverse. I-N-V-E-R-S-E. This stands for equation. Right? Solve, check, and balance when we get there. Oh. What does inverse mean? Inverse means whatever's going on here, whatever operation, adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing, you do the inverse, right? So if they're dividing by 3, we're going to multiply by 3, right? If we got x divided by 3, if we multiply by 3, times that by 3, it makes that disappear, right? Whatever is happening here, we do the inverse, but whatever we do on this side, remember we got to do on this side. Remember, dividing and multiplying are inverses. When you do the same thing, they disappear. So all we're left with here is our x. 3 times 3 is 9. If we want to check it, let's put it back in the original problem. We just solved it. Check. Balance. Alright? To check it, we put it back in the original. 9 divided by 3 is supposed to equal 3. Right? I don't like to put the equal sign there. I leave it blank because it's supposed to equal 3. I will put it there. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 equals 3. Put a check there. You did it right. So our answer is technically x equals 9. Always circle your answer. Even iguana skin can burn. Equation. Do the inverse. Solve it. Check it and balance it. One more real quick here. We will do one more. Let's start with an equation. Let's do something like, and we can have any letter, y minus 17 equals 6. All right? We have an equation because it has an equal sign. We are subtracting. We're going to do the inverse. The inverse of subtracting is adding. So all we have to do is add 17. Add 17. Right? Whenever you use subtracting and adding 17, they disappear. The only thing you're left with is your y. Now we have to do the 6 plus 17, which is 23. Hopefully that's our answer. We're going to check it. If we put it back in there, do 23 minus 17, it's supposed to equal 6. Start with 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. 6 equals 6. Checkmate. Even iguana skin can burn. Solving equations. Hopefully you took it all in. If you didn't, watch it again. We'll practice tomorrow. Thank you. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Stop.